2011 to 2015 Chevy Volt USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2013 Chevy Volt, and I'm going to show you how to replace this center console USB port. It also has the auxiliary port for like a plug-in for like a phone or MP3 player. So there's little metal spring clips on the left and the right side of this. The best thing to have is like a plastic pry bar like this with a curve on it. I'll link some below. And then what you want to do is compress the metal spring on each side. So on the left side, it was kind of easy because you can get to it. But on the right side, there's like no room. So this is where the curved one comes in. I use my curved plastic pry bar interior tool. It could just kind of curve in and compress this metal spring on the side like that. And then once I got those popped open, it's actually kind of hard, to be honest, to get those compressed and pulled forward. But once you can get your fingertips on this, you pull it forward and then you disconnect these connectors. There's a gray connector first. There's a little thumb tab. You're going to push on the thumb tab and then pull the gray connector backwards. Don't pull by the wires because you'll break the wires, but just push that little thumb tab down and then you could separate these two. And then there's black connector. There's also a thumb tab right in the center. Just push that down and slide that backwards. And now here's this right here. This is a OEM one, just went bad. So here's the part number right here. And these are sold on Amazon. You can actually get the GM actual ones. It's only 16 bucks. There's two options. There's one for 19 bucks that says overall pick, but it's just, it looks like the same exact part, same GM part. So I don't know why that one's overall when this one's 16 bucks, but you could get whichever one you want. I'll link them down below. And I'll also link a plastic pry bar set. They're only like 5 bucks. They definitely come in handy for this job. So once you got your new part, we're going to go ahead and just come over here. This is unwrapped, and then we'll plug in the black connector first. It only goes in one way, and then this gray connector is a little more difficult to plug in. You have to kind of line it up perfectly and just slide it in. It should kind of lock into place, and then it'll kind of click into place. Once those are in, we could just gently massage this thing back into place, and then just push it in, and it should snap into place, and then you're good to go. No radio programming needed. All right, well, that's it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.